We got to know Springer company in more detail only some 3 years ago. We chose Springer for the reliability and the performance, especially the counts per minute of the trunks that we can feed in our sawmill, and this was well suited for our project. Most importantly, we chose the pre-commissioning because it's the reduction of installation time. This is very important for a company like ours. We need to minimize the downtime of the production line. We process mainly Slovakian logs, but we purchase them also from abroad, and we produce a standard assortment of construction material, timber, as well as timber for the further processing products, which includes GLT, Kavaha or CLT. The actual downtime of the line, this was done within 20 days from the arrival of the equipment. It is very fluent. We get the support we need always. Every problem like this can be then tackled with care, and alternative solution is found quite quickly.